Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, Carlos Let's Cook, the channel of the lovely food. And today we're gonna have some spinach and mushroom feta cheese pancakes, and they are gluten free, and I'm just gonna show you how I made it. Subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with the new videos coming up. Okay guys, now we're gonna do the pancakes. So we need 2 eggs, need a little bit of oil, a little bit of salt, and then we're gonna mix all of them up. A little bit of the milk, okay, that's ready. What you want is the consistency of the butter. When you do that, you can just see the covers the ladle. So that's ready. Okay, now the butter is done, so let's cook the pancakes. You want to cook them in medium heat, about 4 or 5, the number on the settings. Add a little bit of oil in there. Okay, 1 ladle, 1 scoop of the butter, and then you just put it in the pan. And you just go around. You want this to cook even on both sides, so we'll do one side first and then try to release the pancake from the pan. Takes about 1.5 minutes on each side. Then you turn it around. As we're using rice flour, they look a little bit different. You can see they're perfectly cooked on both sides. So now you can take it out and put it on the plate and do another one. Put it over here. Okay. You can see we managed to get 4 pancakes. They're nicely cooked. So let's do the filling now. We're gonna do the mushroom, spinach and feta cheese pancakes. Okay, now we got all the ingredients in here. We got chopped garlic, we got sliced onions, the sliced mushrooms, feta cheese and a little bit of pecorino to grate on top. So we're gonna put it in the oven at the end. Okay, now we're gonna put some olive oil in the pan. Then we add the garlic. Okay. You can see the garlic now is done. So let's add the onions. Let's fry the garlic first and then you fry the onions, because then you cook both of them. Otherwise, you're just cooking the onions. If you put all of them together, then the garlic won't get cooked. Okay, now we can add the mushrooms. Add some nutmeg. Add some salt. A splash of white wine. And you can add some pepper. The mushrooms now are cooked, so I'm gonna add the spinach. Then you just cover it for a minute just to get all the steam so the spinach can get cooked. Okay, now spinach is done. Add a little bit of the sour cream or double cream or whipping cream, whatever cream you can find. And then you get a teaspoon of corn flour, mix it with a little bit of milk, and then you just throw it in there to thicken up the sauce. Now you just try and make sure the seasoning is okay. That's good. So that thing now, the mix is done. So you can turn it off, and then you get the feta cheese. You crumble it in here. Okay, the mix now is done. We're gonna just roll the pancakes. Okay, now we're gonna plate it up. So let's do it. We're gonna get one of this, and then we get some mix. So roll it like that, and then you put. Okay, and now we just get some cheese on top. Okay, and let's put it in the oven or under the grill. You can do under the grill as well, so the cheese melts and gets nice and toasted on top.